Breaking news, Bitcoin has just done something for the first time in more than 500 days. Does this mean Bitcoin will have a surprise bull run, or are there warning signs in the charts? In today's video, we're going to examine this trend line right here, Bitcoin breaking above for the first time in more than 500 days. Is this a secret clue that a surprise bull run is about to come and prices are about to pump? We're going to uncover the facts. Let's get it. Brand new email list video this week. Don't miss out. Everyone has been asking and wants to know when bottom plus mega crash update plus death cross update. Major announcement. I just dropped an exclusive bonus video to everyone on the email list. Go check your emails right now. Not on the email list, you do not want to miss this update. Immediately unlock this bonus video right now for free at cryptocrewuniversity.com. Again, cryptocrewuniversity.com. I'll see you in the bonus video. Here we are, Bitcoin US dollar index, and today we're on the 2-day chart. On the 2-day chart, we're going to focus our attention to the middle of the screen. In the middle of the screen, we have the RSI, the relative strength index, that runs from a range of 0 up to a range of 100. Anytime you get above 70-ish, it's time to really think about taking profits. And anytime you get below 30-ish, it's time to think about buying. Now, right now, we are not at above 70 and we're not below 30, but we just broke above this trend line for the first time in more than 500 days. This trend line started back in November 2024 when Bitcoin's price was at 97,000. And from there, what Bitcoin did was continue to make higher highs, one after another after another. We were at 97, then we were here at 107 back around Christmas time 2024. Then we were even higher, 109 back in January 25. Then we were even higher here at 111 back in May 2025, and yet another higher high back in July around 110, 111, and then the 126,000 back in October. What I want you to do is we just outlined a whole bunch of higher highs that Bitcoin made. During that same time, take a look at the RSI. It was continuing to make lower highs. When price is making higher highs and the RSI is making lower highs, it's a signal to traders and investors worldwide that something doesn't look right, something doesn't smell right, something's wrong. This is called bearish divergence. Bearish divergence, by definition, when you have higher highs with lower highs in your indicator. Whenever that happens, something is about to give. This was bearish divergence, and it snapped. The bearish divergence snapped at 126,000. At 126,000, we started to plummet in price and in the indicator. With the indicator, we started to make our lower low back in November 2025 when the RSI went 25. Now keep in mind, in the big picture, you want to buy below 30, you want to sell above 70. It's definitely more stronger and more accurate on a higher time frame like the weekly. Here we're only on the 2-day, just to give you an idea of what's going on with all of this extra data. But when we snapped that bearish divergence at 126,000, it broke. You can see what happened to price, right? When that thing snapped, price plummeted. Then we started to get some momentum by holding some support right here on the 350 MA on the 2-day chart. And you can see we started to hold support back here November 21st, 2025, and we held it for many, many days, almost more than 2 months, almost 70 days, holding support right here. But during that time, that's when we rebounded in the RSI. We rebounded only to get rejected from that same trend line that has been trouble since November 2024. So each time the RSI plummets down, it moves back up only to get resistance from the same trend line. Then we move back down again. We move back up in the RSI only to get more resistance at that trend line, then a plummet. That's when the RSI snapped. That's when price snapped. That's when the bearish divergence snapped, and everything plummeted lower than we had been in years in the RSI. And then we just rallied all the way back up, only to snap again. But this time, we actually made it through this trend line. Now, there are two things we talked about in last week's video. Two very simple things that Bitcoin would need to do in order to really change the game. I want to get into those things. Have we done those things yet? What are those things looking like? And is it possible for us to still do those things? And what would those things mean for you and your portfolio? Will Bitcoin have this meteoric rise and continue this bull momentum that we have, or are things about to snap and it's about to get ugly? Let's really investigate this piece by piece. Tilt your phone to the side and subscribe. What you saw happen recently was we broke this moving average and we plummeted, right? This was a surprise plummet for a lot of folks. We were at roughly 97,000, 94,000, and we started to plummet in price, and we went from in the high 90s all the way to 60,000. This shocked the high majority of humans. However, right here on this channel, this is what we had to say back when we were in the 90s. Roll the clip. So the bad news is history is telling us we're about to have a mega crash. So in that clip, you can see what was happening at that time. We had predicted a mega crash, and we got definitely a mega crash. And then since then, we've rebounded, right? And we've rebounded in a way that we've typically done pretty much every single bear that we've ever had. Now, I give a lot of inside information, behind the scenes information in this week's bonus video to the email list. One of the charts that we cover is right here. And Bitcoin, for the first time since 126,000, we've got multiple candles holding support on this green line. This is what I cover inside the bonus video. You do not want to miss what I have to say about this, because quite literally, we haven't done this since 126K. Fact. Then I cover this chart. We just printed a buy signal in this chart. Am I buying? What do I think about this buy signal? That is also in the bonus video. Now, back to this chart, you can see with your own two eyes, we went above this trend line. Now, as I told you last week, just getting above this trend line is not really that exciting. Why? Because we dipped our toe above here back in May 2025. The real thing are the two areas I identified in last week's bonus video. These are the two things we really need to do. Otherwise, it's not that exciting. One of the things we need to do, and this is specific to the RSI, there's a lot of other things that price needs to do. More on that in a moment. But what the RSI needs to do, and we're specifically honing in on this for today's video, is the RSI ranging from 0 up to 100, having this trend line, 500 plus days, never really breaking it. We dipped our toe above it just slightly back here in May 2025. But now, what does Bitcoin need to do in order to really change the game? What do we really need to do in order to get more momentum behind us? What we need to do is shift the trend. We are in a bear trend, and there's no way around it. And we'll talk about the two things from last week, and I'll give you one bonus thing that we need to do. If you are sitting at home and you're watching this video and you hope and pray and dream about Bitcoin changing the trend and dream about us going into a bull trend, I'm going to give you the three things that we have to do. Brand new email list video this week. Don't miss out. Everyone has been asking and wants to know when bottom, plus mega crash update, plus death cross update. Major announcement. I just dropped an exclusive bonus video to everyone on the email list. Go check your emails right now. Not on the email list, you do not want to miss this update. Immediately unlock this bonus video right now for free at cryptocrewuniversity.com. Again, cryptocrewuniversity.com. I'll see you in the bonus video. The two are with the RSI and the one is with price. The two things with the RSI, and this is, by the way, this is just on the 2-day chart. We can look on other time frames and it may get a little more complicated. We'll do more videos on that. But today we're just focusing on one chart only, 500-day trend line. You can see the facts in front of you. Men lie, women lie, but the charts don't lie. Here are the two things that the RSI would need to do in order to change the trend. It is undeniable that for the past 500 days, we've been in a downtrend. Undeniable. Can't deny that. That's just facts. What do we need to do to change that? So during that, what is a downtrend? It just means that we've continuously created lower highs and continuously created lower lows. That, my friends, is a trend. In order to break that, we will need to do two things with the RSI, and that's what we discussed last week. Number one, we need to create a higher high. We have failed to do that for 500 days. What we need to do, and we're trying to do it right now, and we need to see where we close this candle, is we need to create higher than the swing high we had January 13th, 2026. That's step one. But once we do that, and if we've done that, we're not out of the woods yet. We still have two big steps to do if you really want to change the trend. So step number one is to create a new swing high. Not just a new swing high and not confirm it. We need to create a new swing high and then close it. Then that will be our breakthrough, and then we need a confirmation of that. So we still got a couple days for us to truly have a confirmation of that. We need to close the candle to actually have that breakthrough. Then we need the second confirmation of a 2-day candle to actually confirm that. So we're still a little bit of ways away from that, but we're trying to. Brand new email list video this week. Don't miss out. By the way, we are getting tons of comments about Win Bottom and altcoins. Did you know I give my top altcoin picks and my big secret investment both covered in the Bitcoin Bottom Blueprint? Just my big secret investment alone is already worth multiple times the cost of the Bitcoin Bottom Blueprint. But on top of that, you get my top altcoin picks, and on top of that, you get one guaranteed buy inside of the golden zone or your money back. Public launch coming soon. Watch your email. That's step one. What is step two? We said that we've been creating lower highs and lower lows. What we need to do is not only create a new swing high, we need to create a higher low, meaning our previous low was down here at 19. Now keep in mind, when you look at the data, we haven't been at 19 or lower all but one time in Bitcoin's entire history, and that was here back in November 2018. Just look at it. On a 2-day chart, that was our lowest RSI, right, ever. And that was when we were here at price at about 3,000. We had just an enormous crash, and I sat right here in this chair, and we called for that mega crash to happen. So what we're looking at is we need to not only create a new swing high, we have to create a higher low, meaning we cannot go at 19 or below with our move down. So that is going to take a little bit of time. People might think, well, I'm looking at it right now and we've already done that. It's like, well, pump the brakes a minute, because these moves take a couple months to do, right? To get from this swing high back in November 25 to this one in February 26, it was a few months, right? And to go from our previous swing high, swing low, you talk about August to November, it's a couple months, meaning a couple months from now, when we do eventually create a new swing low, if that one is higher than 19, then we have our second checkbox, meaning let's hypothetically say we do create a new swing high, and then we come down and create a new higher low. This is quite literally the definition of how to change a trend. This is textbook how to change a trend. Now I'll give you one bonus clue, and we're going to go to price. And we do a lot deeper dive inside the bonus video that is free to everybody on the email list. Make sure you go sign up for that. But when you look at price, what we need to do is to create a swing high in price. And that's the third check mark. If you really want to change the trend, we need to do those two things with the RSI. And with price, we only need to do one thing: create a new swing high. Our previous swing high was back in January 2026 at 97,000. Any price movement that does not get above 97,000 will roll over and the bear trend will continue, even if our two check marks with the RSI are intact. We need all three, the power of three, to be true to really change the trend. Anything less than that, the trend will continue. In other words, we need to create a swing high in the RSI and a higher low, and we need a swing high in price higher than 97. Any rally that doesn't get above 97, maybe we get to 91, 92, it doesn't matter unless we create a swing high. Anything short of that, the bear trend will continue. Brand new email list video this week. Don't miss out. Everyone has been asking and wants to know when bottom plus mega crash update plus death cross update. Major announcement. I just dropped an exclusive bonus video to everyone on the email list. Go check your emails right now. Not on the email list, you do not want to miss this update. Immediately unlock this bonus video right now for free at cryptocrewuniversity.com. Again, cryptocrewuniversity.com. I'll see you in the bonus video. By the way, we are getting tons of comments about when bottom and altcoins. Did you know I give my top altcoin picks and my big secret investment both covered in the Bitcoin bottom blueprint? Just my big secret investment alone is already worth multiple times the cost of the Bitcoin bottom blueprint. But on top of that, you get my top altcoin picks. And on top of that, you get one guaranteed buy inside of the golden zone or your money back. Public launch coming soon. Watch your email. Tilt your phone to the side and subscribe.